In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight in a PDF on your computer, laptop, or PC. Whether you're working on an important document or studying for an exam, knowing how to effectively highlight text within a PDF can really help you organize information and make your life easier. Plus, it's super simple once you know how to do it. Let's start by opening the PDF file you want to highlight. Make sure you're using a PDF reader that supports highlighting features. Some popular choices include Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is free, and even modern web browsers like Edge or Chrome. These tools are robust and user-friendly, making them perfect for our purpose today. Once your PDF is open, you'll want to locate the highlight tool. This typically looks like a marker or pen icon and is often labeled as highlight text. If you're using Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can find it in the toolbar at the top of the window. In web browsers like Edge or Chrome, the procedure is very similar. The icon should be there in the toolbar or under a menu labeled Tools or Markup. This tool is crucial because it allows you to select specific parts of the text you need to focus on. Now, with the highlight tool active, it's time to select the text. Click and drag your mouse over the text you wish to highlight. You'll notice that as you drag, the text will be highlighted in a translucent color, often a shade of yellow or another pastel tone, which ensures the text remains visible yet distinct from the rest of the document. This step is where highlighting becomes an art. Select text that is key to understanding the material or that you want to easily locate later. After dragging over your selected text, simply release the mouse button. This action finalizes the highlight, cementing your selection onto the page. The highlight should now appear as a solid hue over the text, making it stand out. This action is immediate and instantly transforms regular text into highlighted material, ready for quick reference. The final step, and arguably one of the most important, is saving the PDF to ensure your changes are not lost. In Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can do this by clicking File and then Save, or simply close the document, opting for Save when prompted. For web browsers, often you'll be saving a copy, so look for the download icon or select Save As. This step guarantees that all your hard work remains intact for future access. And there you have it. Highlighting text in a PDF is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance the way you interact with documents. With these steps, you'll be equipped to tackle any PDF efficiently, keeping your notes organized and easy to read. Thanks for watching, and happy highlighting!